said welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you another stitch fix. I did ask for a new stylist. I don't think that's going to work out either, but I kind of peeked and I know what's in here and I'm not too happy with it. But for those of you that don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service that sends clothes to your home and you get to try on clothes and buy them if you want to. There's a playlist down below. Those videos have more information if you are not aware of what Stitch Fix is. But I do have a link, and if you use that link, you will get $50 toward your first purchase. So, with that being said, let's get into Stitch Fix. So with Stitch Fix, you do get a return shipping label and bag, so whatever you don't keep, you just put it in a bag, throw it back in the mail. You also get a style card, which has your note. I'll paste it up in the corner for you guys. My new stylist is Annabelle. She won't be my stylist for long. But the style card just kind of gives you ideas of how to style this stuff. I did ask for dresses for date night, like I always do, and I also asked for possibly a dress for New Year's Eve. You also get your invoice. I will plug that up in one of the corners. Let's get into it. First, we have the Jessica Howard Antonio velvet dress in dark green and a 4 petite for $78. We also have this street level Abri envelope snake print clutch in black for $48. Okay, so that is not black. This dress is pretty, but I would not want it in a petite. It is just too tight, it is too small, and my notes last time were completely ignored about avoiding petite for dresses and tops and just stick to petites for maybe skirts or pants, because I am much bigger up top and in the shoulder area across the bust than I am from my waist down. So this dress is a no. If it would have just been like a regular size 4, I probably would have kept it. And this clutch is just a little too boring for me. It says it's in black. It's not. This is like a tan or something. It's just a little too boring for me. It's got multiple holes in it, or whatever you want to call that. It does have a strap to where it is a crossbody if you want, and it has a little purse baggie in it, but it's gonna be a no. Next we have Liverpool Jacqueline printed skinny pant in a black and a 4 petite for $78. And we also have the RD style Jocelyn cotton blend v-neck pullover in brown and a small petite for $68. These actually both fit really well, and I do like the pants. However, I own a pair exactly like them in brown. And I'm just not the type of person that needs one in every color. I like my closet to be vast, full of a wide range of things. So, and I've told my stylists over time, and they can always go back and read the notes, that I am not the type of person that likes one in every color. So the pants are a no. This sweater is cute and comfortable. It does fit nicely. But again, it's not something that I need, so it's a no. And last we have this dress by J. Crew, Foggia pleated detail dress in a teal green. It says it's a size 4, but this material is not breathable, it's not stretchable, so it just doesn't fit. I cannot get it zipped in the back where my breastbone is. So, and obviously, if anybody knows my style, this is just way too stuffy and buttoned up for me. It's $114, so this dress is also a no. Also, I won't be turning around in this dress since I can't get it zipped. So unfortunately, this entire fix is a fail for me. If the velvet dress wouldn't have been in a petite and too tight across the bust and shoulder area, I probably would have kept that. But overall, this box I don't know. It's just a fail. So I don't know. I contacted customer service. I hope that they pair me with a senior stylist that will actually read my notes, will actually look at my past purchases and go from there. So we'll see. I probably won't get another fix until January since it's so close to going on vacation, but for what it's worth, I hope you guys enjoyed this fix better than I did. Have a great day. Bye.